Family, ixesha lokuphila ngokuminxa liphelile. Ixesha lokuphila ngokutatazela uyike into izinto zawulunga nini njani phi liphelile. Sifikile kwixesha lokubana ngoku we allow the spirit, we allow the guides, we allow God, we allow ancestors, we allow universe to lead us. What are we going to do, Tina? Sizawufaka our best efforts on something. If you are being called to an interview, you make a big impact. Wenze uthethe lento uyibizelweyo apho ogqiba kwakho xa usuka phaya uhambe uye endlini uzipholele and detach to the outcome. Yes, ndiyayazi ba ingqondo izawuhlala icinga ba yo ayibona ndiyiphendule njani lanto no, I need you to understand that you are in a divine alignment time where okudaliweyo kuyenzeka. So what you do when you get out of there, okudaliweyo kuzakwenzeka. That's what you tell yourself, okudaliweyo kuzakwenzeka. And if okungekwam ngokwam ongekokwam ayikokwam, so you do not going to overplay this thing enhlokweni yakho. You are going to live your life, uqhubeke ufake ezinye izinto wenze ezinye i-efforts kwezinye indawo, because what we have not learned apha ebomini ukubana once you give up on something, once you detach on something that you worked on, izinto ziyezivele ukubana uthi abantu abaninzi bathanda ubizwa kwimisebenzi aligned nabo xa when they started to give up athi umntu yo yazi ndalibala noba ndafaka i-CV phaa kulaa ndawo. That is that timeline ke ngoku inkulu ngoku and izawuba njalo. And also i-divine timing is that timing where we're going to meet a lot of people that if you gave up on love, and you continue working on yourself, meaning that you channeled love into yourself, then this is the time where you're gonna meet the right person. Just when you're about to give up, you gave up and all that, but kuvele kuthi umntu, and you're gonna feel like it's coincidence. A coincidence is actually a divine timing in disguise. There's gonna be a lot of coincidences between uzothi ushiwe yi-flight yakho unomsindo uyohlala phaa e-business lounge or uzihlelele nje phaa e-Costiers e-airport uvele udibane nomuntu ebedalele wena or your business partner, your future business partner. I-alignment is gonna make a lot of things that are not, they're gonna make you ungazuyilibale uthi yo ndikhumbula ngondandidibene nobani kanje ndandishwe. It's like iyathanda ukwenza friction so that you can always remember that day. So I'm here to tell you that secret divine timing, secret divine alignment, and this is a time where my guys are telling me to tell you that trust your path, ne? Because it divine timing is ikufundisa into yobana relax, put your best effort on something and trust alignment. Today I want to say to you, trust the timing of your life. Izinto zakho zilungisiwe kwaye ziyeza in their own way and in their own time. Nditsho nee-friends ezintsha, everything that's coming that's beautiful in your life is gonna come as a coincidence, but no, it's not a coincidence, it's actually divine timing in disguise. On this day bethunana ningalibali, everything is working out for me. Ndiphumile kwimfazwe yobumnyama apho ndihamba khona kukhokhela ukukhanya 0404 on the timer. Ndithi ke bethunana, love and light family, peace out.